Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these delicious fluffy vegan pancakes. Yes, they are vegan. So I'm starting out with 150 grams of self-raising flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, followed by 200 milliliters of oat milk, but you can use your desired milk preference. Give this a good mix until fully incorporated. You'll see bubbles start to form. This is the baking powder doing its work. Grease your pan with some vegan margarine, or you can use some spritzed sunflower oil. For the method I taught you guys before, make sure you wipe off any excess oil. We don't want our pancake to fry. And then ladle in 1/3 of your mixture. This recipe makes 3 fluffy pancakes. Cook the pancakes for a few minutes on each side until it's golden brown and you can see the bubbles forming. If you're unsure to whether your pancake has done on that side, just lift it up gently so you can have a peek and then flip it over. And this is the final outcome. I drizzled over some maple syrup. Absolutely delicious and super fluffy. You can see that there. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.